video. Ready? Come on.
No cussing.
Yeah, he can cuss all he wants.
Okay, never mind. Never mind.
Oh, this is really bright. The sun's making really bright things a lot, Logan.
Oh shit.
Whoa.
There he goes.
Finally, he did it. Oh God. You okay, dude?
Yeah, I think I broke my ankle.
You didn't break it. You probably just twisted it.
No, I didn't.
If my mom was still driving by, we could get her. She could probably help you, but yeah.
Stop.
I'm getting down, guys. Here, Hunter, take the camera. Take my phone. It's still on video.
Okay.
If you drop this, I swear I'm gonna rape you.